Hi everyone, and happy Sunday. It is another check-in from me to let you know what is coming up in the kitchen with David. And I have to tell you, the whole studio is all set for Christmas, which actually kind of gets me in the mood. Maybe I need to go home and I have a policy. I will not put my tree up until after Thanksgiving. Even though we got that snowstorm here on the East Coast, I definitely wanted to. I am going to hold out until after Thanksgiving. But that Friday, I will probably be putting my tree up. Maybe I'll post some pictures. But anyway, I wanted to jump on and possibly give you a sneak peek of what is coming up in David's show. Because rumor has it that you guys have been enjoying this. So give me a high five. Let me know that you like these little sneak peeks, and I'll continue to do them. I don't mean to take time away from you on your Sunday with your family, but I did want to just check in and say hello. Good morning, Amy. Good morning, Sue. Good morning, Cheryl. So good. I just saw one of my dear friends, Melissa Epps, jump on there. Good morning, friend. Happy belated birthday again. Hello, Amanda and Mary Miller. Diane, nice to see all of you. Okay, so other than giving you a sneak peek at what's going on in the studio, we're walking around. Yes, I'm going to turn things around. And good morning, Donna. Coming on over. We are already out on the set. So we are set because we are first up in the kitchen with David at noon today. And guess what's back? Our gloves. Love these silicone gloves in the 2 sizes, which was a huge request. They sold out in their debut in August. Any polka dots or vivid? Working on it, Amber. Working on it. Everybody loved those mugs so much. But here we have our 2 different sizes. So we have the small and we have the large, which is great. We have all of our colors, including our festive, which is really exciting and brand new today. And then also new is in our poinsettia today of our 5-quart serving bowl with servers. So I wanted to give you a sneak peek on that. But what I love about these gloves is they have the silicone accent. You can, of course, wash them right in your dishwasher or washing machine. I always say that. I love that. These do not go in your dishwasher. I mean, they could, but you'd probably want to put them in your washing machine and then just let them dry flat. Good. Oh.
What are y'all doing?
Hi, friend.
Is this Instagram?
It is actually Facebook Live.
Oh, hi, Facebook Live. Are these your Temp-tationistas watching?
They certainly are, and they're all very excited to say hello to you,
well,
I have to say.
I'm excited to say hello to all of you. And Tara and I are going to prep this little item. She's first up on our show today. So it's going to be very exciting. I'm fresh out of makeup. Do I look all right?
You look gorgeous, and 220 people are on saying they absolutely... hello and happy to see you.
Awesome. Well, I hope everybody's going to tune in today because we have a jam-packed show. We have some great Black Friday deals coming up. Tara's got 2 Temp-tations items in the show. I've got greenhead lobster today.
Yum.
And a deal on a stand mixer from KitchenAid that is going to blow you away. This is the show to watch, and everything's on 5 pay or better all day today. Use your Q card at 6 pay.
I love that. Well, I'm going to turn it back around. I better get to work because the boss is here. So love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Check in first up in the kitchen with David at noon. Bye.